In this video, I'm going to show you about keywords and AI as response types. So let's get started. Click on our preferred flow sequence. And then we choose keywords and AI as our response types. And then we can add intents here. So what these intents will do is whenever a user replies to the bot message, and if that message contains any keywords, which you define in this intent, then this endpoint will be triggered. So if we write here sales, marketing, funnels, etc. And if we add one other endpoint, and type here tech, support, etc. and submit it, then we have two endpoints. So we connect these both endpoints to their respective flow sequences. Now, we open the chatbot. Click on yes. And type I need help with sales. We get this message which we set in the sequence. Now let's type I need tech support. Then we will get this endpoint, which is this. That's it. Thanks for watching.